Good day, students. My name is Kolawole Victoria. I'm year 8 mathematics teacher, and today our topic is integers. Here are the learning objectives expected of you at the end of this topic. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to understand the hierarchy of natural numbers, integers, and rational numbers. Secondly, you should be able to multiply and divide integers, recognizing generalization. Now, what are integers? Integers are whole numbers which can either be positive or negative numbers. Integers does not include fraction or decimal. These are few examples of integers. Here I have -3, -2, 0, 1, 5. We still have many other integers examples. Integers can also be presented on a number line. Here is an example of an integer presented on a number line, ranging from -4 to +5. You can see that this integer also includes 0. Natural numbers. These are non-negative integers. I mean, when you look at the integers we have here, we have negative part of it. The positive part of it are what we call natural numbers. They are positive whole numbers. Examples include 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 11. You can have likes of larger numbers like 3,000, 5,000, but they must all be positive. Rational numbers. These are numbers that can be expressed as a fraction of two integers, that is, a numerator and a denominator. A numerator A and a non-zero denominator. What do I mean by a non-zero denominator? The value you have under it must not be 0. Take for instance, this 3/4. The 4 under this must not be a 0. 5 is an example of a rational number. Why is 5 a rational number? When you have 5/1, you will still get the same value. It means it can also be expressed as a fraction. Then we have 2.35. 2.35 can be written as a fraction. Let's move to multiplication of integers. Before you can solve multiplication of integers, you must learn to apply the rule of signs. What does the rule of sign state? It states that the same sign multiplying each other will give a positive. You can see that we have the same sign here, negative times negative, to give a positive. The same sign again, positive times positive, will also give another positive. These are different signs. When different signs multiply each other, you get a negative. Minus times plus is a negative. It's equals to a negative. Plus times minus also equals to a negative. Example, you have to solve the following questions. The first question says -3 times +8. And the second question is -5 times -25. Now let's solve the question. -3 times +8. When you want to solve a question like this, you need to multiply the signs first. Your negative times positive, minus times plus. According to our rule of sign, minus times plus gives a minus. Then your 3 times 8. 3 times 8 gives 24. The answer of -3 times +8 is -24. The next question, minus times minus. According to the rule of sign, that is positive plus 5 times 25, and that gives 125. So your answer is plus 125. Now to division of integers, we have to also apply the rule of sign. We say that minus divided by minus is a positive. When it has the same sign, you get the positive, and if it has different signs, you get a negative. Look at the example. Solve the following. -24 divided by -3. 32 divided by -2. Let's solve it. -24 divided by -3. Negative divided by negative. According to your rule of sign, this is negative, negative, and you have a positive. Plus 24 divided by 3. That gives 8. Now to the next question. 32 is the same thing as plus 32. You can decide to put your plus, then your plus divided by minus gives a minus. 32 divided by 2 gives 16. With this, we have come to the end of this class. But before I go, I have an assignment for you. Using the rule of sign, solve the following. Minus 25 times minus 3, minus 10 times plus 10, 65 divided by minus 5, minus 1000 divided by plus 2. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.